In this video, I'll show you how to put text over an image on Squarespace. I'll be showing you this on the web version. In edit mode, go to the section where you want to add your image with text overlay. Hover over the section and look for a visible grid that appears when you move elements around. If you see that grid, you're using Fluid Engine, which is what we'll be working with here. Click the blue plus icon within your section, then select Image from the block options. Once the image block appears, upload your image or select one from your existing files. Now add the text block. Click the plus icon again and select Text from the options. You'll see a text block appear with the cursor ready for you to type. In Fluid Engine, you can place text blocks directly over images. Click and hold the text block, then drag it on top of your image block. The text block now sits visually over the image. Type in your text and use the formatting toolbar that appears when you select the text to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. To make your text easier to read, you can add a background color to the text block. Click on the text block, then click the Design tab in the Settings panel on the left side. You'll see background color options there where you can add a colored background behind your text. You can also add an overlay color directly to the image itself for better contrast. Click the image block, then go to the Design tab and toggle the overlay switch on. This applies a colored filter over the entire image, giving it a slight tint. Use the color picker to select your overlay color and adjust the transparency until your text stands out clearly. Save your changes. Here are a couple of quick things to keep in mind. Preview your page on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure your text is readable on smaller screens. Keep your text short, just a few words for titles, or 1 to 2 sentences for longer text, because this keeps everything visible on mobile. And if your text is still hard to read, adjust either the image overlay opacity or the text background color until you get the contrast right. That's it. Thanks for watching.